So guys, the most awaited update of 2021 is here finally. The Canadian High Commission in India, that is the Canadian Embassy, has just tweeted about the biometrics and the passport submission services. They are finally ready to expand. More details in the video towards the end. Please be tuned. So guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice here inside Ontario, Canada. My office is here, and if you want to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen and in the description box. Please feel free to schedule a consultation and I'll be more than happy to help you. So guys, please note we don't have any agents or network tie-ups in India or anywhere else. So if you're approached by any agent, please make sure that you speak to us directly and confirm the validity. Mostly we'll not be working with them, but then still it's good to be sure. So guys, if you're watching this video for the first time, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that every time we release a new video on Canadian immigration or a delivery related update, you are given an update and a notification and you don't miss any of them. So guys, we are discussing the very important biometrics issue that has been ongoing in India. People who've been stranded in India, people who've been waiting to come to Canada and have been waiting so far to submit their biometrics or their passport requests. I receive tons of queries every day, be it on YouTube or WhatsApp or anywhere, and people just want to know that when are the biometrics starting for any other class. So far, what had happened was Canada was only accepting biometrics for students and family class. But what about the other classes? This was the question for everybody else. And a lot of people were not really able to submit their passports. They were trying to email the VAC in India and no response was coming back. But then, all of those questions keep hounding people, and then I was also unable to help because it did not have any concrete update to share with you. But today, the 15th of January 2021, it was a pleasant morning surprise, and I got really surprised and pleasantly surprised with this update. So I thought it is early morning and I should share that update with you. So it's a tweet that the Canadian High Commission sent out in India. I'm gonna read. I'm gonna read that tweet word by word to you so that you don't miss any important part of it. So guys, it's a two-part tweet. Now the first part says that VAC services update. Biometric appointments will soon expand to other visa categories. Note, travel restrictions are still in place and will prevent many clients from traveling to Canada. Depending upon their visa category, processing study permits remains a priority for us. So, the first part clearly says that, guys, apart from study visas, even though study visas happen to be the priority, study visas and family, apart from studies and family class, they are expanding to other categories very, very soon. Okay, so this is very promising. They have not confirmed a date yet, but let's hope they give us a date as well. And in the next video, I will share that update. Guys, the second part of the tweet says a new passport submission web form will be launched next week. Now, there you go with the date. It says client will now be able to request a two-way courier service via the web form instead emailing the VAC contact center. Stay tuned for more details. So guys, there you go. This was the Canadian High Commission in India tweeting about biometrics and passport requests. Guys, I know all of you have been desperately waiting for this update, and I hope this brings some kind of relief to you guys. And if you still have more questions, please feel free to drop in a message on the number on the screen, and detail are there in the description box as well. Please schedule a consultation, and I would be more than happy to speak to you. Once again, I wish you all the best and hope to see you soon in Canada.